And so our company has our client during this. Hello everyone, welcome to Hawaii Lifestyle, and this is Harry.
This is Timmy. Hello everyone. April is a high season. Purchaser and manufacturer are busy in Canton Fair during this week. Next week is the May Day, International Workers' Day. The market is back and everything is booming. In this third of this year is coming to the end. Catch up the home trends of the lighting. Focus on our Alibaba Hawaii shop. You will find more interesting lines.
Yeah, follow-ups, and also during this period, we know some clients are suffer a lot because of the spread of the virus, right? And so our company has launched a promotion activity to support our client. Yeah, during this online Canton Fair. So
yes, it's a big sales activity. If you order based on our MOQ and the order values reach out the US 20,000, you can get 10% of discount during April 15 to April 25. After April 25, you also can get 6% off until May 5.
Yes, April. And our online fair can come to an end on the May 15. And it's really a great support for you, and do not miss this benefit. And more detail you can check on the screen. Yes, there is some information about our promotion activity. Yes, okay, so let's come back to our topic. Today our topic we are going to introduce some industrial lighting for the industrial project. And so today we are going to introduce some items for you guys. And we also will tell you some tips for you. Okay, so what kind of product we are going to show to our client, Timmy?
Well, previously we have introduced some brand new item, but today we will focus on some hot-selling industrial lighting, including three series. Part 1, street light, low voltage series, the high voltage series, and narrow light series.
Here.
Part 2 is a fault line, order B series. Part 3 is a high bay series, UFO. We will further explain more in details later. Let's see in those pictures of the first series on the screen. You know what ways to difference?
Yeah, so actually the total is the 3 items, and for this first series is LED strip. Actually, it's hard to differentiate based on the appearance. And LED strip actually is popular item when we decorated our home or maybe some project, and some is a popular use in the home and some shopping mall as well. And because LED strip can create a warm atmosphere, and also the other function when we use into the industrial project is to light up the space. And also some client maybe they will confuse about how to choose the LED strip. And today our introduction will have some instruction for you to choose the LED strip.
Yes, I think so. Street light can be divided into AC type and DC type. DC type is always recommended across DC 12 voltage, and DC 24 voltage are regulated as safe voltage and harmless to human body.
Yes, and for the LED strip, actually, depends on it's divided into based on the high voltage and low voltage, and it can be divided into 3 types based on the IP rated. And the first type is LED is IP 20 voltage, and this is a bare PCB strip light. And the other one is IP 65, and this is the waterproof performance is greater than this one. Okay, so except for these 2 items, and also have an IP 68.
So this can be used in different areas based on IP rate, right?
And IP Actually, for these three items, IP20 can be used in the indoor environment, and the environment need to be keep dry, and also maybe some client want to know the meaning of what's the meaning of the IP rated, right? Timmy, you must know it, right?
Sure. IP rated has two numbers. The first number represents the dark pool performance. The max is 6. The second number represents the waterproof performance. Is the max is 8.
Yes. You have a great knowledge of this. Yeah. Your explanation is very clear. I think this definition maybe help the client to when they're choosing the LED strip. Yeah. And okay, so except for the IP60, for this IP65, what's the difference between this and what's the application of this LED strip light? Actually, it can use in the red environment for this LED strip, because we use the silicone tube here. As you can see, there is a silicone here. It's not like this. It's only a PCB board. Yeah, it's very bare. So no matter the dust-proof performance or waterproof performance is better than the IP20 strip light. Yeah, but it cannot use in the underwater. Yeah.
So if the audience want to put it under the water, we recommend the IP68, right?
Yes, IP68 is this item. As you can see, maybe it's hard to know. It's hard to see the real difference between this. Actually, is the most different point is because this item is used with the solid silicone. Yeah, it's not dilute because this is only a tube here. The inside is hollow. Yeah, so because some client, some workshop, they will need the lighting to working under the water. So this is a good option for them. Yes.
So our street light cover most the requirement. Now, let me introduce what wattage of our street light. We have different kind of LED strip in 6 wattage, 10 wattage, and 12 wattage per watt.
Yeah, different wattage.
And also have a narrow street light in 10 watt and 20 watt for our regular items.
Yes, the wattage is also comprehensive, right? Except for the IP rating is comprehensive, the wattage is also comprehensive. So maybe some client want to know what type of LED shape we are using for this.
We use a sun or a speedster chip. We also customize according to the client's requirement as well. Dimmable and non-dimmable are available. One more thing I want to let you know, if your budget is not enough, we suggest that client can use the IP65 street light in the area. Even IP20 is enough because IP65 street light can prevent dust.
Yes, your advice is great. I think maybe some client have the budget is not limited. They can choose the greater product as well. Yes, but except for the IP65 to protect from the dust, we also can provide aluminum profile to protect the LED strip from the dust as well. And what's more, the aluminum profile also can help the install guy can easy to install it, and it also can create a great effect, the lighting effect.
Yeah, this strip can be embedded into LED profile, which come in different shape and size to suit their users' needs, and covered by PC diffuser. It can make installation is more convenient, avoid the falling out after a long-term use.
Yeah, it's good.
And ensure the perfect light effect. Regarding to aluminum channel, we have a variety kinds of channel to meet different kinds of application, such as square profile, receiver profile, and 45 degree profile.
Triangle profile as well.
To meet all kinds of application requirements.
Yes. And during the selection of choosing the aluminum profile, and I want to share some tips for the audience. And the first thing is that on the one hand, we should think about the width of the LED sheet, and because the profile need to be a little larger than the LED sheet, yeah. And also on the other hand, we need to think about the height of the profile, because it will if the aluminum profile is higher than the LED sheet, it will affect the it will affect the lighting effect. It will make the light is not even, maybe it's very strange. The effect is very strange, and so we need to. My advice is that we need to think about the width and the height of the aluminum profile. Yes, the height of the aluminum profile is better to choose one with the 5 to 10 millimeter higher than LED sheet. Yeah, it is a good advice.
And the light will be more brighter, right?
Yes. So this is all about the LED sheet. Yes, this is some information. We also share some tips to you when you selecting the when you select the LED sheet, and we need to share also some of the IP rating knowledge for you. Yeah, maybe you have basic knowledge of this product, right? So totally is this 3 item. If you are interested, you can contact us, right? Yeah. Okay. So this is all about this item. So as we move it and we come to the next item, also is about the industrial lighting. Okay.
Different from the previous products is the outdoor product.
Yeah, this is one.
The wattage of this wattage of this series can up to 200 wattage, including 60 wattage, 50 wattage, 100 wattage, and 150 wattage.
There's also different wattage as well.
Yeah, the installation environments, especially heavy rain. This floor line IP66 rated, which is a good choice.
Yeah.
Let's have a detailed view on this product.
Okay, so as you can see here, the back part is very great, right, Tim?
Yeah, this is I think this design has a better heat conservation compared to the previous one.
Yes, exactly. The heat dissipation, you get the structure, the rib here is very smooth, and also the width is very tiny. So this structure actually, as you know, what does it come from? Do you know the design? What does it come from? It stimulates it is simulate the car engine, right? Yeah, so yes, for this structure, it can create great performance on the heat dissipation. So to some extent, it can expand the lifespan for this fixture. Yeah, so
now I know.
Yeah, so we also can build the upgrade of this. It's
very heavy.
Yes, so it means the structure is very strong. It can, to some performance, is very great compared to the other. Yes, the quality is also very great. Yeah.
Yeah, I think the highlight of the quality and the details of this product. For the front part, this frost glass can enhance the grade of the product while increase the uniformity of the line.
Yeah, and beside of the glass, when we choosing the glass, as you can see, the front part, as Timmy mentioned before, the front part we use the frosted glass. Yeah. This part is the super glass. Is that it not like the clear glass? Yeah. It's a super wide glass. Yeah. As you can see, the transmitter is very great, right?
Yeah. This wine glasses can reach more than 92%, which is much higher than the wine glass and green glass, about 75% to 85%. Lumen output up to 100 lumen per watt.
Yeah, so the lumen is very high. It's very cool, right? So you can see the most of outdoor lighting, they have a hole here. Yeah, you can see here there's a hole here to make sure the water leakage from the inner part. And as you know, we also have this design here, and also we have a small hole here to make sure the water keep the water from out of our inner part. Yeah. Except for this part, do you know what point we are still doing to improve the waterproof performance?
Yes, also for the waterproof performance, you can notice our housing has a V-shaped structure.
Yeah, this part.
Yeah, the silicone ring can be placed and is not easy to move. Community with the silicone rings have a greater compression. It can improve the waterproof performance.
Yes, except for this water leakage hole and also the V-shaped structure, and also with the silicone to keep the water out from the inner part. So it will make this structure can prevent the hidden danger from the water ingress. Yeah.
Yes, we have considered a lot. So this product have a great waterproof performance. Next time, if we have chance, I think we can put it into the water to test the performance in our live show.
Yes, it's great. It's great idea to when we can next time we can prepare a bottle of the water to put it into the water to light up to see the water performance as well. And also as for the installation way, and this product can be wall mounted as well, and also can be ground mounted. You can put it on the ground here. Also, you can also to install on the ceiling as well. Yes, and you can see there is a blanket here. Yes, this blanket has a certain slope here, as you can see, right?
Yes.
And there is a certain slope. Do you know what's the convenience? Why we use this certain?
Yes, it also can be applied in landscape for garden lighting to line up the street, plants, and so on. So, Harry, what else area can be used with this float line?
Yeah, as I mentioned before, yeah, you mentioned we can use in the garden, right? Actually, this blanket it can be used. It can be used in the garden as well to make this blanket to help the install guy to install on the local easily and convenient. And also maybe some client want to install on the other way, maybe on the other application, maybe on the billboard, right, on the street. I think this is also a good choice to choose this product because the conformity, the light conformity is very great for this product, and it will make the billboard look more attractive, right?
Yes, it has large voltage. It can use in the tunnel for highlight effect as well. 200 watt can blind up the whole row. The driver can enjoy the comfortable and safe driver.
Yeah, sure. It is because of the high voltage. Yeah, I think we can take a close look to the client to check we can take a close look. Yeah, as you can see here. Yeah, we can make a close look here to help you to see the detail clearly. As you can, the front part is made of the glass here. Yeah, the quality is very great. This is the tempered glass and the super white glass as well. And the back part, as you can see, the structure is very great. The structure is stimulate the car engine. You can see the heat performance, heat dissipation performance is very great. If you like it, you can contact us. Yeah. Okay. So I think it's also we can share.
Yeah.
We can turn it on to see the view effect. Yeah. To check it.
To see the lineup.
Yeah. To check the view effect. Okay. Let's put it down and connect it to the power. Yes. The brightness is very great, as you can see here. We can take a board to see the effect. As you can see, there is some light here, right? As you can see, the light is very soft, right?
Yeah, it's very bright.
Yeah, it's right. Brightness is very great here, and the light is very even. Yeah. As you can see, this product I think is very great. No matter from the light, from the structure, I like it very much. Yeah.
I think you guys in front of the screen has the basic knowledge of this product. If you want to know more and want to place an order, please contact our colleague.
You can buy it.
Yeah, so we will reply you immediately.
Yeah, and your inquiry are always welcome as well. Okay, so this is the second item. We have introduced all the information for you. Okay, if you want to know more, no matter about the price or the lead time or the warranty, right?
Yeah.
Warranty policy, maybe some promotion detail you miss it before our staff, you can contact our sales. Yeah, you can learn more about our product. Okay, so let's come to our next series. The last item is, we are going to introduce. This last item is also for the industrial project as well, right? Because our today topic is going to tell you how to choose a proper lighting for the industrial project. So this lamp is very great here. As you can see, this is high bay lamp.
Yeah, it looks like UFO.
Yes. Do you know where does it use in normally?
I guess you use it in factory, outdoor.
Yes, you're right. Yeah, outdoor environment, maybe it also can use in outdoor environment, and it widely used in the small stadium, the gym, stadium, and the factory and the warehouse, because the brightness is very great here. This product as well, and also, it's very hairy, right? Yeah, it also you can this product, the voltage, you can see on the screen, the voltage is from the 100 wattage to the 200 wattage. And the brightness is very great for this product as well. The lumens can be reached up to 120 lumen per wattage. Yeah.
As I know, the LED chip can pass the LM80 standard testing. It means the high lumen LED chips is more stable, so the lifespan can be longer.
Yeah, you have know more about this. Because LM80 can be as a test to means the quality of the LED chip, right? Yeah. So maybe some client the LED chip can be more better, and maybe you also can do the customizable for you. Maybe until now this LED chip, maybe we are EP Star. If you want to some Osram brand or from the Osram, we also can do the customize for you.
Wow, that's a super function.
Yeah.
Look, Harry, the lens angle and the lens chip structure are different with the other kind of products. Why?
Yes, this LED lamps actually the lamps is a kind of a material is called the PMC. It's the PMC lamps, and it can, because why we use these lamps, because we think these lamps can create the brightness can be much better, and the light is more even. Okay, so also these lamps also can be different angle. The angle can be 16 degree. Also can be 120 degree as well. So also this lamp has a great quality because the lamps will not be turn yellow. Even you last for 5 years. Okay, so as you also, I want to share you one thing is that you can see the structure of the LED strip is like a flower, right? Actually it's a SMD structure in here, as you can see, because this structure is a Hawaii old design. Yes, as you can see, it's just like a flower. This structure, because we want to make sure the light effect is very great.
It's more brighter and softer.
Yes. Also for this item, actually it can save the energy as well. For this item, and I think we have talked a lot about this product. Actually, it's very a good choice to use in the industrial project, right?
Yes, and the heat sink is integrated die casting aluminum housing. It has a good heat dissipation function. And the aluminum powder painting, even under the harsh environment, it will not change the color. With the protection against the contact like dust and water splash. Right.
Yes, the heat dissipation part and this sink part is very great. Normally the aluminum material has a certain thickness. the thickness very high. Maybe the height is very large. And for our high bay light, the design is very thin. You can see this is very, the height is, I think is not like the other product, right? Yeah, but it's also without changing the safety feature as well. And so the height is less. It can reduce the to some extent. It can reduce the distance from the ceiling. What's that mean? Actually, I mean maybe it's in some project, maybe the ceiling is the space of the ceiling is very limited, right? If the height of the luminaire is very thin as well, it can be as maybe some project have the difficult to install on the ceiling, as for they had the problem of the limited space. So this item with the little height, it can be used in the ceiling. It's easy, right? So
it saves time and also save some budget.
Yes, you can save the shipping budget as well, so it's very great.
And for the way of the installation, you can see the installation guidance on the screen. This high bay light can be mounted and hanging from the ceiling.
Yes, this hook. There is a hook here. You can see the hook is very strong, right? This hook can be used with a chain. Yes, it can hanging from the ceiling, right? It's very great, but sure we do not provide the chain, right?
You guys can choose the different chain based on your preferred frequency.
Yes, maybe some client want to 10 meter, maybe their warehouse is very high, maybe they want to choose the 5 meter chain. The height of this illuminator can based on your preference. As you can see, except for this hook, we also can be from this part. We also have some position. As you can see, there is some position for the blanket. We also can put it into the wall, and we will, if you need it with this item, we also can add a blanket in between here. As you can see on the picture, we also have the blanket. It can help you to install on the wall, right? Yes.
We have two options to insert.
Totally. It's the two option. Installation option is very flexible, right? It can be based on your preference.
I think the audience also like it.
Yes, when they're selecting the item, when they're selecting the lighting for the industrial product, I think the audience will like it very much. No matter from the heat sink part, yes, as you can see, there is the back part is very strong here. As you can see.
So in front of the camera.
Sure.
It's very heavy.
It's very heavy.
You're very strong actually.
Thank you very much. And this you can see, you can have close look here. The lens is very great. And also the back part also is very great with the hook here and with the waterproof performance button here. It can make sure the waterproof performance is very great here as well. As I mentioned before, this is made of the die-cast aluminum, so it's very heavy. So this quality is very great. If you like, you also can contact us as well. We will tell you more about this item as well. Because there is no connector, so we cannot turn it on to see the real effect. If you like it, you can contact us to take a sample order. We will send you this item for you as well. Okay, so I think this is all about our today's topic, and totally today we have introduced 3 items to our audience. The last item is this UFO high light, and the second one is this floodlight, right? And the first item is the LED sheet, and this item we share some tips and some information about our industrial lighting product to you, and also some tips to help you to know how to select the proper lighting when you choosing the choosing the lighting for the light industrial project as well. Okay, so
If you have any interest about our products, please contact our sales on Alibaba.
yes, your inquiry are always welcome, and do not forget to follow our channel, and we will also have a live show continue in the future in the next week. We also will have a live show during this month.
Yeah, during the main day holiday, we wish you enjoy your time. Don't forget wash your hands, do more exercise, go outside less, and do more shopping in Huayi Lighting Alibaba.
Yeah, sure. You need to keep healthy. You need to keep away from the rivals. It's very important. Yeah, this is the most important thing we want to provide you some advice. Do not go outside, wash your hands frequently, right?
Yeah.
Keep your safety, okay? So hope you guys everything going well in the future. So please do not follow up. Want you one more time, okay? So this is all about today. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time. So it's time to say goodbye, right?
Yeah.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye bye. See you next time.
Bye bye. See you.